Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this Asus. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by choosing this same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, tap on display section, scroll down and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!